So here's a Yamaha EX, and I already installed one of the sponsons on this side. These sponsons are a huge improvement over stock. They give you a lot more grip. What you have here is a 9-piece layout. Here are your tools, 65mm bolts, and so those are M8 65mm, M6 35mm, with your M6 washers, M8 washers, and you have the spacers from the stock hardware. So you see it's a 9-piece design. This is all printed at ASA, 50% infill. I'm experimenting with infill. I found out that 100% infill is the most durable for sure. These are PLA. These are just more visual, so I'm going to go with those today. You want to use some Loctite on here. I'm not going to be using Loctite, so I'm going to take these off and experiment some more. So what you do is put some Loctite in all these, and I'm just going to go over a quick installation. So what I like to do is I like to combine the spacers. You can see, to get your spacing right, you do it this way. Install it. We're using spark bolts, so these are the E-type. I like to start it by hand, like that. So there you go. I'm gonna use a little impact here. Just want to get it loose, like that, right? Then you're gonna take your other side, same thing. Make sure all your lock nuts are in. Install it this way. Here that is. You want to kind of pull this out like that. I'll slot everything together. Like so. Slide that up. Again, you want to place your Loctite on there and start that all. Again, you're going to go pretty loose because this is the first step here. Go over to my table here. Show the orientation here. So you want to install the hardware like so. Again, I made it so it was in 9 pieces, so you could put this on anything. Again, you want to use your Loctite here. And pull the bolt out. Like so. Get that all lined up. These are actually Sea-Doo spark bolts. You can use anything that's 65mm long. Get that snug. Yeah, it's just a rough installation, so I'm not going to go crazy tight here. Now I like to take, again, you just want to go kind of loose in the middle because you know you're just starting that off. Grab the corners here. Again, 35. Line everything up. Again, I'm just trying to go kind of loose. Last one here. Like this. Start in the middle again. Because there's lock nuts on the side, you'll see when they get captured. So I like to just go until they're snug. And because there's lock nuts, you really don't need to go very tight. You'll see it will all pull in straight. That's pretty much the gist of how you install this. I will include instructions, the video itself. Yeah, that's how it works. Thanks for watching.